this is a great platform for learning because it's too many books and a lot of knowledge. So thank you. I'm here to talk about from the book Top Excuses, Start Winning. I chose to talk about having a purpose, chapter I picked up. So we all come into this world with a purpose. So it's very important for us to identify what the purpose is. It could be for us to maybe help people, or to understand ourselves more, or the purpose could be anything, to have a life of meaning. So what the author talks about here is he says it's very important to find the purpose and work on it, because it completes what we are doing or what we have come here for. So to find a purpose, and once you find a purpose, we don't feel like stopping for it, because we've understood the meaning and worth of what we are here for. And he's given us one very important thing. So he says, question yourself to know what you are. So it could be relationship, aspiration, idea of success, or really it could be service to the society. It could be anything. So he's given examples of Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King. So all these people came into life or showed up their purpose only to help the society, to the people they wanted to give away. So we it's very important to date ourselves. So I think Vijay sir says that, sit 30 minutes with yourself twice a week and date yourself to know what you want to do in this life and what's the purpose of being here. I think he's created a great platform of Peak Impact Mentorship, because it was his passion to impact people, and with their communication skills, or with life skills. So it was his passion. So he found out a purpose and he worked for it. So it's important for us also to do like that, because we could all be something to this society. We have to give back to the Mother Earth, or it could be for anything that matters. It could be friends, family, all of that. So he's mentioned one thing very important, that stop justifying when we know the purpose. So when we sit and they do a self analysis, we need to know the purpose. So once we know the purpose, we should not give any justification or an excuse to pursue the purpose. So it's very important to really identify the one main important purpose. And one favorite line that I really liked and I picked it up was, a life without a vision and a purpose is just an illusion and nothing else. So a man here comes not just to live, but to give a meaning to why he's being alive. So that's what I wanted to share. Thank you.
Well on time, Sahana. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you'll also go, Karthik? Yeah.
Yeah.
Start the timer for Karthik.
Just a second, Karthik. I'll start your timer.
So hope my voice is audible.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's clear.
So yeah. So can I share my screen?
Share it. You have the rights, I believe. Share.
Yeah. Like before that, I'm going to talk about a very interesting success habits from one of the interesting books. I'm sure you all like it. Before sharing my screen, I'll be talking about a person called Darren Hardy. To tell about Darren Hardy, at the age of 18, he was already making a six-figure income. When he was 20, he owned his own house. When he was 24, he was making $1 million from his business. And at the age of 27, he was declared a self-made millionaire because his business revenue was more than $50 million. So you may ask, how did he achieve all this at a very young age? Okay, and he's none other than the author of this book, Compound Effect, and this compound effect principle was shared with him by his father. I'm not able to share my screen, I guess. Bharat?
Bharat, you can make me co-host.
Okay.
Sure, Kiran.
Post disabled participant screen sharing.
Yeah, done, Kiran.
Yeah, done. Can you share now?
Thanks.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So coming to the next point, what I wanted to share, just a small question to everyone. So if somebody offers 3 crores or 30 days, so what would you choose? Okay. So if I had an old mindset, I would have chosen 3 crores because it's 3 crores, right? So I'll coming to the next point. If I see if 3 crores or a penny doubled every other day for 30 days, okay. So what will be the result? We'll just see. See, at the end of 25 days, the penny doubled will be having a value of 1.6 crores. Okay, at the end of 25 days, it's still less than 3 crores. So it will only touch 3 crores when it is day 26. Okay, so it will take 26 days for us to reach 3 crores every penny doubled every day. If you take another next 4 days, by the end of day 30, you will be having 53 crores, not 5 crores, 53 crores. So if you would have already chosen 3 crores first day, I would have lost almost 50 crores at the end of 30 days. Okay. So this is the effect of compounding. Okay, we'll just take this to our habits and behaviors. Okay, by taking a story of 3 friends, we have Larry, Scott, Brad. All 3 guys make 10 lakhs per year income. Okay, so if you take Larry, he is doing always what is done. He's a happy person, and he occasionally complains about life, that nothing ever changes. Coming to Scott, he reads 10 pages of book every day. He listens to 30 minutes of inspirational audio every day. He decided to cut 125 calories and takes little extra steps every day. Not a big deal. It's a very small change, but doable by anyone. Okay. So coming to Brad, he got a big screen TV. He tried some recipes. He likes cheesy casseroles or desserts. He added one alcoholic drink every week. He likes to have more fun. Okay. So everything is very small, minute things. So if you see at the end of 5 months, there is no significant difference. Even at the end of 10 months, there is no significant difference. But if you see at the end of 18 months, there is a slight difference. But at the end of 25 months, there is a much visible difference, okay, between the 3 friends. So what we'll understand what is the ripple effect. So 31 months is 940 days. That means the calories, if you calculate, so he would have added 33.5 pounds at the end of 31 months. That means Brad is 67 pounds more than Scott, and Larry is same at the end of 3 years. Scott added 1,000 hours of books, audio plus practice, implemented those learnings into his work. He got promotion, he got raise, and he has a good marriage. But whereas Brad is not much happy because he has added weight, not both to his mind and the body. He's less confident, less attractive, and his marriage is on rocks. So all these 3 things are very small, but at the end of 2-3 years, it has had a huge ripple effect. So last, what I would like to say is, we live in a microwave mentality wherein we keep the food heated for 2 minutes, the food becomes hot. Whereas the same principle may not apply in our real lives at so many instances. Versus if you compare to the grandparents' work ethics, they were working hard, they had discipline, so many things, right? So we need to learn those things, that microwave mentality is not just the only thing, because at the long term, all these small things will give massive results. These small things may look mundane, may look boring, but seriously, it will give massive results because of the compound effect. That's what I wanted to share. By being part of PIM, I also would like to move towards Scott position so that I can see our future to be bright. Thank you all.
Right on time, Karthik, and also the wonderful topic of compound effect. It's actually an eye-opener concept for me also. So this is really great. The way you explain, right, with the data form, that actually helps. So we can easily understand. Yeah, if we would have gone with the money, we would have ended up with a lot less amount of cash. Since we have chosen time, yeah.